what it's supposed to look like. A couple things that I see people doing is, first of all, not having a neutral spine. Okay, so what that means is there should be a natural curve in your lower back, but also you gotta think about the neck too, okay? So when people come down to do a swing, is where your gaze should be. People are here. See what happens to my lower back? I start arching at the moment I look up, okay? So I want you to keep a neutral spine, including the neck. So if you're here, when you come down, now you're here, all right? So up and down. That's where your gaze is, to keep that neutral spine. This is a hip hinge, okay? So what that means is only the hips are moving, okay? A lot of time I see people just doing squats as they do this, okay? So no, it's a hip hinge. The movement comes from the glutes, okay? A little bit of hamstring, yes. What's another thing? People not breathing, it's crazy, okay? So as you guys come down, you're not relaxing, but you know, lengthening the glutes is when you'll breathe in. And as you come up to squeeze those butt cheeks, that's when you're gonna exhale. So breathing in, breathing out. All right, when you get to the top of a kettlebell swing, everything's contracted. The glutes, the quads, the hamstrings, the lats are all contracted. And then you're gonna come back down, and then you're gonna contract again, okay? So now that you know like what to do, it's a hip hinge, neutral spine, when to contract, and when to inhale and exhale, I'm gonna teach you how to start the kettlebell swing, okay? So, common mistake, like I kind of probably already said, I don't know, is people kind of turn it into a squat, right? No, so the way you start is with a 3-point system. 1, 2, 3, it's a little triangle, all right? When you get down to that hip hinge, right? That's where you're gonna take the kettlebell, you're gonna swing it back, okay? I know a lot of people will try to pick it up here and then they'll try to like get the momentum. No. So you're here, core engage, hips back, swing back, exhale. All right, notice when I come up here, only my glutes, right? I stop, shoulders, ribs, hips, knees, ankles, make one long line. I'm not making a rainbow. I'm not using my lower back for any of this, okay? So you're here, like I said, everything's contracted, nice and tight. Then you come back down, and you're right here, okay? Inhale, exhale, all right? So when we're here, the way to end a kettlebell swing is the same way you started. So when you're here, just drop it. This is when you'll probably go to the squat, all right?